Kaya yung sa Dumoy, inubos ko talaga. I did it because I had to do it for my country.
I believe it's clear, Mr. Chair, yung sa Dumoy, inubos ko talaga. I did it because I have to do it for my country. Can we hear the comment of DG Villanueva?
Mr. Chair, kilala naman natin si Presidente. May rhetoric talaga yan para makita. But ang sinasabi ni President is Dumoy. Dumoy Laboratory. Talagang patay lahat yung naandun, Mr. Chair. Hindi doon sa kung saan na area. So yun yung, I believe that's the context. But